The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Silence is a source of great strength. The wise man does not lay up his own treasures. The more he gives to others, the more he has for his own. The best fighter is never angry. Be content with what you have, rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. Knowing others is intelligence, knowing yourself is true wisdom. Mastering others is strength, mastering yourself is true power. The truth is not always beautiful, nor beautiful words the truth. When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. The power of intuitive understanding will protect you from harm until the end of your days. To see things in the seed, that is genius. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. The Tao that can be told is not the eternal Tao. The name that can be named is not the eternal name. The wise man is one who knows what he does not know. To the mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. He who knows others is wise, he who knows himself is enlightened. The master does nothing, yet he leaves nothing undone. The ordinary man is always doing things, yet many more are left to be done. If you do not change direction, you may end up where you are heading. Be careful what you water your dreams with. Water them with worry and fear, and you will produce weeds that choke the life from your dream. Water them with optimism and solutions, and you will cultivate success. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. The softest things in the world overcome the hardest things in the world. He who conquers others is strong, he who conquers himself is mighty. The more laws and restrictions there are, the poorer people become. When you are content to be simply yourself and don't compare or compete, everybody will respect you. The wise man knows that it is better to sit on the banks of a remote mountain stream than to be emperor of the whole world. The wise man does not lay up his own treasures. The more he gives to others, the more he has for his own. When you realize nothing is lacking, the whole world belongs to you. A leader is best when people barely know he exists. When his work is done, his aim fulfilled, they will say, "We did it ourselves." The best way to predict the future is to create it. One who knows does not speak. One who speaks does not know. The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. To lead people, walk beside them. A good traveler has no fixed plans and is not intent on arriving. The flame that burns twice as bright burns half as long. The great way is not difficult for those who have no preferences. In dwelling, live close to the ground. In thinking, keep to the simple. In conflict, be fair and generous. In governing, don't try to control. In work, do what you enjoy. In family life, be completely present. The wise do not boast, and therefore the people honor and exalt them. Anticipate the difficult by managing the easy. He who knows himself is enlightened. The sage does not hoard. Having bestowed all he has on others, he has yet more. The power of love came into me, and I became fierce like a lion, then tender like the evening star. Those who have knowledge don't predict. Those who predict don't have knowledge. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them, that only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. In the pursuit of knowledge, every day something is added. In the practice of the Tao, every day something is dropped.